So you want to learn how to make a dark beat off from scratch inside of FL Studio? Then you came to the right place, because today we're taking a look at how to create like dark melodies and beats from scratch inside of FL Studio. Let's dive right into it. So I got this Contact piano loaded up. It's completely free, so you can download it and just like work with me. But what we also have loaded up is the C minor harmonic scale. I feel like I always automatically create like dark stuff with this kind of scale. You can just right click on this and then right click on C or whichever root note you want, and then select minor harmonic. What this will do is turn your computer keyboard into a piano. Motherfuckers will think you'll be like Beethoven just gliding over the piano, but nah, it's just what you can also do is on the sampler channel right here. So right click on piano roll and then head over to the sampler. And what you can also do is underneath these like stamp icon, click and then right here minor harmonic, and just put that on C, drag that out, duplicate that over. And then when you go to the piano again, you will see like the ghost notes right here. And then it's just like super easy to make everything in key and make sure you're in the right scale, and it will all sound nice together, you feel me? So let's just build some chords right here. I'm going to start on the root note. It's not mandatory, but it's just the vibe today. So that gives like a sad vibe, but we want to create like a dark vibe. And this is like more broken or something, like instead of this. I can't explain it. Woo! You see? And we just like copied over the same chords and then went 5 down. As you can see, everything is in the right scale right here. So we'll just add some extra notes right here. And then I want to go again. Dun, dun. So I'm just copying over the same chords over and over the whole time. And then we'll just like shift this into the scale again. Like that. It gives me like some Travis Scott type of vibes. It's like sad and dark at the same time. Like for example, once you get like a bass onto this, it will create a lot of tension, these type of chords. So I got this jazz bass from Analog Lab, and we'll just copy over the notes from the piano, paste that over. What I like to do is sometimes add these like one shots in there to create like some unique melodies. With one shots, you can create like really some different type of stuff. So right here, let's do option A and then make a counter melody. Right here, let's just tweak it a little bit. I'm just 1 octave down. Nice. And on this we can add some reverb. Ooh, you see? It's really easy. Actually, let me drag in a one shot from the bass as well. I got an idea for this in mind. This is one of my favorite basses. Shout out Jack. And to give the piano a little bit more darkness and like that cold feeling, we will add some vinyl on this to make it like more vintagey. Vintagey sounds are really good for like dark, sad, moody melodies without the vinyl. And with it, let's add some magic switch to this chorus. Yes sir. Add some EQing as well. Also for like piano melodies, what you want to do is select everything, Command A, Option S to like strum it a little bit. Gives like a more humanized feeling. Not too much. That's nice. Play with the velocity. Let's make this 8 bars. And On the last bit right here, let's just make it unique, copy that over. For the bass as well. All right, let's find like a last counter melody. Let's try organ. Woo! Right away. You want to leave like some room inside of like the counter melody. Like that. And then make a little variation right here. And as you can see, I'm still right here in the scale. Like that. Let's add some reverb on this. What we can add on this is kickstart as well. Actually, let's select everything, copy that over, and then 1 octave down. Give it like some more body. Yeah. Woo! That's beautiful. We don't want too much of those lows. And then there's one last thing I want to add. It's like a pad or something that supports the whole melody and creates like a lot of tension with the piano. So I want to open up Labs right here. It's a free plugin. Copy that over. That's crazy. Let's take off the reverb. Release down. And we'll add our own reverb on this. Let's add Portal on this as well to give like some granular texture. Damn, I almost pronounced that wrong. Yeah, that's nice. Just really subtle right there. I love to render up my melodies as well to like waveforms. That way I can like manipulate it the whole way throughout. And also it saves you a lot of CPU. So I recommend doing this as well. It's just like my workflow. And to do this fast, what I'm doing is right click on this and then I'm hitting Q and then it just like quickly render out the melody. Make sure this is on tempo because this piano is sometimes off. And then right here, tools, macros, switch smart disable for all plugins. This will save up some CPU as well. Then macros again, switch all audio clips to real-time stretch. Like that. This melody is beautiful. The melody is already super busy in my opinion. So what we'll do is create like some light bounce and just like that is not too busy, the drums. What I prefer to do is doing the hi-hat rolls after I did the 808, because sometimes I can go crazy with my 808, and then if I did the hi-hat rolls already, it's just way too busy. I usually start off with the clap, 2-step hi-hat to create like some rhythm, and then we'll just like put in the 808 pattern as well. I was on my live stream listening to you guys their beats. Make sure to join the next live stream, so turn on post notifications for that as well. A lot of you guys, their beats were like out of key, so I recommend really using scales in the beginning. If you don't know like any music theory especially, or if your ear is not trained to that yet, just copy over the scale like we did before for the chords, and then you make sure everything is in the right key. Do like that. Kick right here. If the kick is not hitting onto your 808, try to reverse the polarity. What I'm going to do right now is I love to pitch my melodies, and I'm using Sound Shifter to do this. I recommend this plugin to everybody because it's just super easy to check out different keys for the whole beat. It totally creates like a different vibe. I like this. This needs to come in right away, and then counter melody. Was a little bit too empty. Right here with the snare, I want to go Oh, that's too cold. Fuck, that's beautiful, bro. Yeah. Bro. Hey. It's cold. It's fire. I low-key want to put some distortion on the bass. Yes, sir. That's what we needed. That's just what we needed, bro. Oh, that's hard. It's sad, it's moody, it's dark, it's everything we wanted, we needed. This tutorial showed you how to make a dark beat from scratch inside of FL Studio. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you especially learned from this. And me speaking over this beat is crazy, bro. Make sure to follow me on Instagram @ConnorBeats. Leave a comment, leave a like as well, and thank you. Peace. She wanna, I got a bag,